Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an ebook in Canva for KDP. KDP stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So I'll be showing you how to create and upload an ebook onto Amazon Kindle so that you can start making some passive income online. The first thing you want to do once on canva.com, you are going to sign into your account if you already have one. If you don't have an account on Canva, you can quickly create one using your email address. You can get started for completely free. After you have signed up, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there I want you to type in ebook. After you have done that, you're going to select ebook template. Once you have selected ebook template, you're going to be redirected to a new page, and you're going to see numerous ebook templates that you can choose from. One of the reasons why Canva is so popular is because of the numerous templates that it provides for different usage. So this makes it easy for even a complete beginner to create stuff and look like a professional and have a high conversion rate. For example, you can scroll down and you can see the different templates right here. So you can see a table of content, and you can see they provide you with a chapter layout. And if you would like to create a book on finances, you could simply use this template right here. And you can scroll down and you can see the different ebook templates. It is completely up to you which one you would like to use. But let's say, for example, I would like to use this template right here. Let me scroll back up and see which one I would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this template. All I would need to do is simply tap on the template that I want to use. Then you're going to see the page layout, and you can also see the ebook cover. We are going to be tapping on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, what you're going to be doing next is you're going to be able to add your own personal touches. So we are going to scroll down. You can see the table of content right here. And also by scrolling down, you can see chapter 2, and you can scroll down and you can see the different pages. What I also recommend that you do in the bottom right hand corner, right where you see 42%, you're going to pull along that slider to the right to increase the zoom so that you can better read or see your ebook template, as you can see right here. And also, if you don't have any idea of what you would like to add in your ebook, what I would recommend you do is use an AI platform by the name of ChatGPT to give you some inspiration. For example, recently I went onto ChatGPT and I typed in, write me a short, intriguing ebook. You could go more specific in your prompt, and you could type in, write me an ebook on a certain topic or so on. And you can see right here, it quickly came up with an ebook layout that I could use right here. But as I said earlier, you could go more specific in the prompt that you would like and the type of ebook that you want. So you could go back onto Canva, and from there you could simply copy and paste the content after you have added your own personal touches to the ChatGPT information. You could simply copy and paste it right here. But I do not recommend you copy and pasting it directly what the AI says. I expect you to do your own personal changes so that it will be even more intriguing and have a human touch. And you can make all the changes you want right there. And also, I don't recommend that you use the ebook cover that they offer. So we are going to be deleting this cover, and then we'll simply tap on share in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on download. Once you have selected download, you're going to select PNG right there. And after selecting PNG, you could tap on download. After you have downloaded it, what I want you to do next is we're going to be going back onto the home page. So you are going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on home, we are going to now be creating our ebook cover. And the recommended size for an ebook cover is 1600 by 2560 px. So you're going to be inputting that right where you see width and height. So you're going to tap on custom size and you're going to type in 1600 in width and 2560 px in height. So you're going to do that real quick. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a blank canvas and go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could upload an image that you would like to use as your ebook cover, or you can use one of the templates right here that they provide. So for example, you can click to view one of the templates right here. So let's say I wanted to use this one. You can see that it has been added right there. All I would need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on download. Then I'm going to download it. After you have done that, you're going to go into Amazon Kindle, and you can sign into Amazon Kindle using your Amazon account, or if you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one quite easily for free. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on create. After you have tapped on create, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, we're going to select Kindle ebook. So you're going to tap on create book right where you see Kindle ebook. Then you can select the language of your ebook, and you can also add in your ebook title. So let's say for example, my ebook title is Simple Answers. So I'll type in that real quick. Then you can add subtitle if you want. And if it is a series, you can tap on add series details. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from here you can add the author name. So let me add the author name real quick. So I can do that real quick right here. And if you want to scroll down even further, you could add in a quick description describing what the ebook is about. So you can type in what it is. Scroll down and you can see I own the copyright. You are going to tap on that. Then you can scroll down and you can select the primary audience. So sexual explicit title. Does it have sexual explicit title? More than likely yours won't. So I'm going to tap on no. Then you can select your primary marketplace. So you can select whether you want to target Amazon.com or you have a specific Amazon in a country that you'd prefer your ebook to sell in. You're also going to tap on choose categories, and from there you can select the category that you would like your ebook to be placed in. Then after doing that, you can scroll down, and from there you could add in keywords, different keywords to describe the content of your ebook. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can see I'm ready to release my book now. After you have submitted your publication, it can take up to 72 hours for it to go live. So after you have done that, or if you would like to make your Kindle ebook available for pre-order, you could tap right there also if you want. So we're going to be tapping on save and continue. And once the changes have been saved, I will show you what to do next. So you can see right there. Now we'll be able to upload our manuscript. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see upload ebook manuscript. Then from there, you're going to select it. So we're going to tap on it. Then we'll tap on upload right there. And you can see it is uploading. After it has been uploaded, you're going to scroll down and it is now time to add the book cover. So to add the book cover, you're going to tap on upload right there. Then you're going to tap on upload cover. And from here, you're going to select the book cover that you had created. So let's select the book cover real quick. Unfortunately, it has to be in JPG. So we are going to go back into Canva. And from here, we're going to tap on share. Then we're going to scroll down, tap on download. And instead of PNG, we are going to select JPG and tap on download right here. So once it has been downloaded, we can go back into KDP and we're going to tap on upload your cover file. Then we'll select it right here, tap on open. Once it has been uploaded, you're going to see right here. If you have AI generated content, you can select whether you have it right here, yes or no. And then you can scroll down, and from here you could launch a preview if you want, but it does take a while to convert. So you can scroll down, and from there you can simply add publishing if you want. Then you are going to tap on save and continue, and you will now be able to set your price. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.